The ARES Trinity of CAD software combines the best of what each platform has to offer. Desktop, mobile and cloud are combined into a unique user experience, generating high synergies across all your devices. ARES Commander for Windows, Mac OS and Linux computers remains our flagship product. You can keep using your laptops and/or computers for the heavy work as usual. You will find in ARES Commander all the features you need to create or modify DWG drawings in 2D or 3D and a productively driven environment. First of all, ARES Commander is fully installed on your computer. You can easily work offline just like you have ever been used to. Secondly, our unique licensing allows the same user to work with his ARES Commander license on not only one but multiple computers. At the office, at home or on the go, your license follows you on any computer. Working on a desktop computer also offers a larger screen, a keyboard, a mouse and a familiar look and feel. It is obviously more comfortable than working on a mobile device. At the end of the day, it is clear that you keep drawing faster with desktop than you would do with mobile or cloud. ARES Touch is the natural extension of ARES Commander for smartphones and tablets. ARES subscribers can install ARES Touch on not only one, but all their Android and iOS mobile devices at no additional cost. Although the features are the same for smartphones and tablets, the use cases may vary depending on your needs and the size of the device. More than 150 commands are available to read, modify and annotate drawings on the go. Smartphones may have a smaller screen, but they easily fit into your pocket and follow you all day long. Popular use cases for ARES Touch on your smartphones include the ability to read and share drawings received by email. DWG attachments will open in ARES Touch instantly. You may, for example, receive a drawing for validation or check a new project you just received from a customer. Second to that, you can take your drawings on the go for offline use or download them as needed from your cloud storages. With ARES Touch, all your drawings basically fit into your pocket. You can access your projects at any time, any place, without returning to the office and even anticipating you will need them. Smartphones are also great to annotate drawings with pictures from your camera or by recording your voice. You may, for example, take pictures or insert voice commands on site and immediately share them with your colleagues at the office. The picture notes and voice notes will show up in their ARES Commander as soon as the project is synchronized back into the cloud. The new free sketch command is like using a pen on a printed drawing. You just need to pick a color and use your finger on screen. All these sketches will go automatically to a dedicated layer without messing up with the rest of the content. This feature is so intuitive that it can be used without any experience in CAD. Finally, dimensioning or inquiry tools offer a great help to measure distances and angles that are not already shown on the drawing, which is far better than on a printed paper or PDF. In ARES Touch, you will find all the dimensioning tools that are usually available on desktop. A key difference with tablets is that they offer a larger screen and are still much lighter to carry on than a computer. They also usually switch on much faster. A tablet is a great companion to show your projects and replace printed papers. Use it for informal meetings to discuss around a coffee or in group meetings, where tablets may be connected to a projector or a larger screen. Secondly, you may use a tablet for surveys or inspections. Looking at the project, you may insert blocks or rearrange content. The quick modify command lets you, for example, combine operations such as copy, move, rotate or scale within the same selection. Thirdly, with more than 150 commands, ARES Touch is making no compromises in features. You can use it to sketch ideas or modify any drawing on the go before continuing the project in ARES Commander. And obviously you will also find all the sharing and annotation features we mentioned earlier for smartphones. The large screen of a tablet, for example, is great for viewing the pictures you inserted as picture notes. Finally, ARES Kudo is our cloud-based solution. It makes it easy for you to access your drawings on any device as ARES Kudo runs in your internet browser. It includes similar CAD features, but it is not specifically aiming at replacing ARES Commander. The goal is rather to bring the agility of the cloud to ARES Commander and ARES Touch. With ARES Kudo, you can read, share and edit your DWG files on any occasional computer without having to install ARES Commander. ARES Kudo is fully integrated with ARES Commander and ARES Touch. It will make sure that your DWG files follow you on any device as soon as you launch any of our CAD softwares. ARES Kudo is designed to significantly improve the workflows across devices and users. ARES Kudo also works like a hub for all your DWG files. Instead of introducing one more additional service, you can simply connect to all the popular cloud storages that you already use and browse or search across all of them. Files connected with ARES Kudo can be modified locally in ARES Commander or ARES Touch, but modifications will automatically be synchronized with your cloud storages. This way, you can start a project in ARES Commander and continue it with ARES Touch. You may also use ARES Touch to annotate your drawings whilst on the go, and your colleagues at the office could instantly get the updates in ARES Commander. Finally, ARES Kudo is nicely improving collaboration with your customers and partners. It lets you generate a view-only link where external people can view your project without a permission to edit. Nothing to install, nothing to pay, and nothing to update. They will just click on the link and see your DWG file in their internet browser. Sending such view-only link is a great method to share your projects and, for example, get validation. The URL is live updated when you save any modifications and becomes therefore the single source of truth for your project. The workflow with ARES Kudo is specifically designed to reduce errors and misunderstandings. As a project owner, you always keep control of your files as you can withdraw access to your drawings at any given time. When you buy ARES Commander, you get much more than a suite of 3 products to create or modify drawings in DWG. You get a unique ecosystem that will considerably improve your productivity and workflows, the ARES Trinity of CAD.